Let's talk about the mysteries behind hair loss, discover the crucial role histidine plays, and explore the foods that can aid in maintaining a healthy head of hair. Over 90% of individuals dealing with alopecia are found to be deficient in an amino acid called histidine. Histidine, an essential amino acid, acts as a precursor to histamine, which is a compound vital in immune responses, allergic reactions, and inflammation. But how does histidine relate to hair health? Histidine's significance in preventing hair loss lies in its ability to support the production of keratin, the protein responsible for the structure and strength of our hair. Additionally, histidine plays a role in regulating copper and zinc levels in the body, which are essential minerals for maintaining healthy hair. However, it's a delicate balance. Deficiencies in histidine can lead to anemia, while excessive intake may result in physiological effects such as premature ejaculation. The key is to find the optimal amount of histidine in your diet, striking the right balance for overall health. Several factors can influence histidine levels in the body. Medications and alcohol consumption have been linked to lower histidine levels. Moreover, insufficient stomach acid can impede histidine absorption from food sources. To address this, the use of betaine hydrochloride as an acidifier is recommended to ensure that the body can effectively absorb histidine. To fully harness the benefits of histidine, certain cofactors must be present. Vitamin B6, proper copper and zinc ratios, and folate are pivotal in maximizing histidine's potential. These cofactors act synergistically to ensure that histidine effectively promotes healthy hair growth. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's go into the practical aspect, the foods that can boost histidine levels and contribute to healthier, more vibrant hair. Here are the top 3 food categories. 1. Organ meats. Liver and other organ meats are nutritional powerhouses, containing high levels of histidine and a plethora of essential nutrients. These meats not only provide the necessary histidine for hair health, but also offer a rich supply of vitamins and minerals, crucial for overall well-being. 2. Animal proteins. Beef and chicken are excellent sources of histidine and other amino acids essential for hair regeneration. Including these lean animal proteins in your diet can provide the building blocks necessary for strong, resilient hair. Their amino acid profiles contribute to the synthesis of keratin, fortifying each strand from within. Remember to always be mindful when purchasing animal proteins. If you can, purchase from your local farmers so that you can avoid antibiotic-laden animal proteins and foods as much as possible. 3. Shellfish. Shellfish, particularly shrimp, scallops, and crabs, stand out as sources rich in zinc and copper. Maintaining proper ratios of these minerals is essential for preventing hair loss. Including shellfish in your diet ensures that your body has the raw materials it needs to regulate histidine levels and support optimal hair growth. In our quest for healthy hair, let's not overlook the significance of folate. Adequate folate levels are crucial for hair development. It's essential to obtain folate from natural sources, as taking supplements like folic acid may hinder the conversion of histidine into its active form. Include folate-rich foods such as leafy greens, legumes, and citrus fruits to support comprehensive hair health. In conclusion, let us appreciate the interconnectedness of our dietary choices and our body's response. By understanding the role of histidine and incorporating the right foods into our diets, we empower ourselves to promote not just hair health, but overall health. As you reflect on the insights shared today, consider the choices you make in nourishing your body. Let curiosity be your guide on this holistic journey towards optimal health, where each meal becomes a mindful step towards vibrant living.